Hey there, it's Sean Cavanaugh here with the 905 Real Estate Guys. I just wanted to send out a brief, well, we'll see how brief it is, video update on what's happening in the current 905 real estate market. I'm not going to go over a ton of stats here. You can read those in the newsletter below this video, or if you clicked on this through YouTube, the link will be in the description below. So get your stats there. What I do want to touch on, just a couple of the current market trends in the 905 and two very interesting trends that are emerging as a result of COVID and how it affects 905 real estate. So let's get to the current market trends. What we're seeing is huge prices, sale prices, and specifically in Burlington and Hamilton region. It has gone off the chart. Burlington had an average sale price of about $770,000 in 2019. But fast forward to 2020, that average sale price has shot up to almost $900,000. That's a 16% increase in sale price. Hamilton region, they're almost up 15% from 2019 to 2020. So we're seeing multiple offer situations. We're seeing long irrevocable periods, holdbacks, bidding wars. So it's a great day for sellers. It's just a little more challenging for buyers. When COVID came in around February, March, people felt COVID was going to kill or at least soften the market, but the opposite actually happened, and many people are wondering why and how does this happen. Well, for a few good reasons. A few reasons. COVID initially made everybody pause, and a lot of that was due to the health concerns. But a lot of it had to do with employment situations and long-term financial uncertainty. But when things started opening up a bit and people realized, okay, well, kids are probably going to go back to school, and now we're able to be in groups of 50 indoors, 100 outdoors, stage 3. Okay, maybe we can start looking. But the sellers stayed put. So what that did is just caused an upward pressure on price because of the imbalance of the supply and the demand. The other thing that happened, the interest rates stayed low and continued to go lower. So people are taking advantage of historically low interest rates. The government has also eased up on the mortgage stress test regulations. So people that were having to qualify at a high rate don't have to qualify at that high rate anymore. So that's going to push more buyers into the marketplace and give the existing buyers a little more buying power. Okay, so that's stuff that's happening. There's a lot more that's happening, but I don't want to bore you with a super long video. We'll get to that in another video. Okay, so let's skip to COVID and how it relates to the 905. A couple of really interesting trends that we're seeing. I think people in the 416 are realizing how valuable space is. All the apartment condo, well, I shouldn't say all, some of the apartment condo dwellers that were in the 416 and having to quarantine for all those months, living in the condo lifestyle, started to realize how valuable space really is. And they could take that money and make a lateral move out to the 905 and get a townhouse or a semi-detached, or depending on the area, even a detached home for the price that they would sell their condo for. So people were finding living space is very valuable, and nobody wants to go in elevators anymore. So we're finding a lot of people are saying, I don't need to be in the 416 anymore. Let's get out to the 905. The other interesting trend that we're going to see, I think we're going to continue to see, is the new workplace environment. I think what COVID did was it made employers and business owners look at how they operate, and they realized keeping a lot of my workforce at home and work remotely was not only productive, but it was cost effective. And so I think what we're going to do is we're going to see a lot that trend continue, where a lot of workforce will continue to stay at home. And what that means is the 416 workers who no longer have to take that long commute into Toronto can stay at home and work. They're going to move out of condo living and get a nice piece of property out in the 905. So I'm going to keep an eye on that trend, because I think that one was really going to put some pressure on the 905 real estate market from a buyer perspective. Anyway, those are just a couple of thoughts I wanted to share with you. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got something out of it. If you're looking for more information, we have a couple of websites that you can get a lot of info on. One is the 905realestateguys.com, which is our main website, and our resource website, which is 905realestateguys.info. You can email us at info@905realestateguys.com. Send us all your questions. We'll be happy to get back to you with the answers. I hope you got something out of this, and thanks for watching, and happy house hunting.